The Ice Cream Mystery. It was a warm, sunny day in the forest, and Froggy the Frog and Penguin the Penguin had the perfect plan to bring joy to their friends. They set up a colorful ice cream stand with flavors for everyone: berry swirl for the squirrels, fishy freeze for the seals, and honeycomb delight for the bears. Soon, a cheerful line of animals formed, eager for their icy treats. Business was booming, and Froggy and Penguin felt proud of their teamwork. But just as the day was getting busier, Froggy noticed something strange. "Penguin, did you take the strawberry swirl tub?" Froggy asked, looking at the nearly empty shelf. "No, I thought you moved it," replied Penguin, puzzled. The two friends exchanged worried glances. More tubs of ice cream were missing. Determined to find out what was going on, they decided to turn into detectives. They hung a sign on the stand that read, "Closed for mystery solving," and set out to investigate. Froggy examined the ground near the stand and spotted small paw prints. "These prints are too small for a bear," he said, scratching his head. Penguin added, "And too big for a squirrel. Whoever it is loves ice cream as much as we do." The trail of paw prints led them deeper into the forest, past the bubbling brook, and finally to a shady oak tree. There, they heard soft giggles and chatter. Froggy and Penguin peeked around the trunk and gasped. A mischievous raccoon was sneaking bites of ice cream, sharing it with a smaller raccoon curled up on a bed of leaves. "Gotcha!" shouted Froggy, jumping out. The raccoon froze, holding a tub of vanilla mint. "I'm sorry," he stammered. "I wasn't stealing for fun. My little sister is sick, and ice cream makes her feel better." Penguin looked at the smaller raccoon, who smiled weakly. "Why didn't you just ask us for help?" Penguin asked gently. "I was too scared you'd say no," said the raccoon, hanging his head. Froggy and Penguin looked at each other, their hearts softening. "You should have told us," Froggy said kindly. "We would have been happy to help." The two friends returned to the stand and made a special care package of ice cream for the raccoon siblings. They even added a get well card. "Here you go," said Penguin, handing it over. "And next time, just ask." The raccoon's eyes sparkled with gratitude. "Thank you. I promise to be honest from now on." As the raccoons scampered off, Froggy and Penguin reopened their stand, feeling warm inside despite the mystery being solved. They had learned that sometimes understanding someone's struggle